morning.
I'm honored to
You're
meet
welcome.
you.
Pleasure to meet
Thank you very
You're
much.
welcome.
Thank you.
There's a little photo.
No, this is my first time on camera, and I feel very honored, and I thank you very much for this opportunity. This occasion during the Soviet times. And this is by was abroad, but when the war started, she came and she worked. I would like to show you the effort that.
We get her in the back, and it's called Dialogue Between Generations. There are young people as well, young and old together. This year, again, the message of peace that we promote. And we have a book here with many of the artistic the works of art that are contained here in the Vatican.